Okay, let's be real. Getting ready for college can feel like a lot. It's like you're walking a tightrope. You want to get ahead, you want to earn some college credit, but you're also terrified of messing up your high school GPA. But what if there was a way to get that reward without all the risk? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a program that does exactly that.
I mean, just imagine it. What if you could actually test drive a real university course? You'd feel the challenge, you'd learn what's expected, but you'd have a safety net the whole time. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not a dream. It's the whole idea behind this program we're talking about today.
And that program is called OnRamps. It's this really unique dual enrollment system that comes straight from the University of Texas at Austin. And trust me, it's way more than just another hard class. It's basically a direct pipeline to a genuine university experience designed by actual UT faculty.
So how in the world does this work? Let's break down how OnRamps gives you that college head start while, and this is the important part, keeping that high school safety net firmly in place. It's really this combination that makes the whole thing so special.
So, when you take an OnRamps course, what are you actually signing up for? Well, first off, the entire course, all the material, is designed by professors at UT Austin. You're going to use the same exact digital tools, like Canvas, that UT students use on campus. Now, it's taught by your own high school teacher, but they've been specially trained by the university. And the end goal? You can earn actual transferable college credit. Now, right about now, you're probably thinking, wait a minute, isn't this just dual credit? And you know what? That's a totally fair question. But there is one massive difference that changes literally everything. And understanding this is key, so let's make it crystal clear. Okay, here's the breakdown. With the dual credit you might be used to, it's one class, one grade, and that grade goes on both your high school and college transcripts, period. But with OnRamps, it's totally different. You're actually enrolled in two separate courses at the same time, a high school course and a college course. That means you get two separate grades. And here's the absolute game changer. At the end of the year, you get to see your college grade before you decide if you even want it on your college transcript. You get to choose.
That power to choose, that is the safety net we keep talking about. It puts you, the student, in complete control. It just takes all the risk out of trying a really challenging college course while you're still in high school.
So let's just walk through exactly how this works. Your high school teacher handles your high school grade, just like any other class you take. Simple enough. At the same time, all the work you do on the UT curriculum is earning you a separate, distinct college grade. Then in May, you see both grades. If you're happy with your college grade, awesome, you accept the credit. But if you're not, you just decline it and poof, it's gone. It never ever appears on a college transcript. Absolutely no risk.
And this right here, this is the fundamental promise of OnRamps. It's a completely risk-free way to find out what you're capable of. You can push yourself, you can take on a serious academic challenge, all while knowing that your high school GPA is totally safe and sound.
Now, there is one benchmark you got to keep in mind. To even have the option to claim that college credit, you need to earn what's called an eligibility grade. That means getting at least a 54.50 in the college course, which is basically like getting a 70. Think of that grade as the key that unlocks your choice at the end of the year.
All right, so let's say you did it. You took the course, you earned your eligibility, you accepted the credit. So what's the actual payoff here? What's really in it for you? Let's look at the real, tangible benefits you walk away with. Okay, let's just use chemistry as an example. You successfully complete the OnRamps course, and boom, you earn 4 college credits straight from UT Austin. That's 3 for the lecture and 1 for the lab. I mean, that is a huge head start before you've even set foot on a college campus.
But you might be wondering, is this something I can actually succeed at? Well, the data really speaks for itself here. Just look at the 2021-2022 school year. An incredible 92% of students who are eligible for the credit successfully earned it. This program isn't built to be a gatekeeper, it's designed to help you succeed.
And honestly, the benefits go way beyond just a line on your transcript. You're building actual confidence by handling a real college workload. You're getting comfortable with university tech like Canvas. The credits, they're widely transferable to colleges all over Texas. Oh, and here's a huge one. There are no giant, scary, high-stakes final exams. Your grade comes from chapter assessments, which takes so much of that end-of-year stress off the table. So this all probably sounds pretty good, but is it the right fit for you? Let's talk about what kind of student really does well and thrives in an OnRamps class.
Honestly, the requirements are pretty straightforward. For a class like chemistry, you just need to have passed Algebra 1. A good rule of thumb is if you're ready for an honors level class, you've got what it takes to do well here. This is really for any motivated student who's ready for a bit of a challenge. And as a nice little bonus, OnRamps courses are weighted on a 5.0 GPA scale, which can give your high school GPA a really nice boost.
So what does the whole year look like? Well, you enroll in August. At the end of that first semester, your college grade at that point will tell you if you're still on track to be eligible for credit. Then the big moment comes in May, when you get both your final high school grade and your final college grade. And that's when the clock starts. You get 1 week to make that big decision: accept or decline.
So, now that you've seen how it all works, the awesome benefits, and of course, that all-important safety net, there's really only one question left to ask. Are you ready to take a huge first step and get a real taste of your college future right now?
If this has got you thinking, the next steps couldn't be simpler. You can check out the official OnRamps website for all the nitty-gritty details, and definitely have a chat with your school counselor. They can really help you figure out if this is the perfect way for you to launch your own college journey.